So this is a 2015 Duplo DC-646. A very, very, very nice version of it. It has every option pretty much possible that's available on this model and costs nearly $100,000 new. It has the standard DC-646 unit here. Then it has all the Imposition software, touchscreen interface for to set up all your programs, control the machine, so on and so forth. It has all the standard modules currently installed in it. We're going to run a job here in a minute that they have set up. It's just a couple slits, a couple cuts, cross cuts, and some folding. Here's the transfer to the folder. It's got the IFS, the inline folding system, which is called the DC-F2 setup, and then the stacking, the stacker that is available with it, which you'll see this portion actually recedes as the pieces come out to keep them all stacked up for you. The other big important thing that it has, which the two other options that are very nice to have, are the rotary tool module and the cross perf module, which are down here. They're not currently installed, but can be. I apologize. One of the cross perf module is currently installed. So we'll go to that in a minute. The rotary tool module is here. It can do perf, micro perf, slit, and it can also do strike perfing, so intermittent perfing. And then the cross perf module is currently in the unit, and that can pretty much do all the same things with the other direction. It does the perf, micro perf, slit, cut, and it can do strike perfing as well. All the more detailed explanations will be available in the description.